Imagine a world where countries are at war. How do you ensure that, even amidst the chaos and hostility, there is someone looking out for the basic rights and well-being of those caught in the conflict? Protecting powers play a crucial role by acting as neutral intermediaries that representing the interests of a belligerent state and its nationals in the territory of an adverse party. Their fundamental purpose is to ensure that international humanitarian law is respected, particularly concerning prisoners of war and civilians, even when direct diplomatic relations are severed. The core mechanism behind protecting powers is deeply rooted in the Geneva Conventions of 1949 and their additional protocols. These international treaties mandate that, during armed conflict, a neutral state or an impartial humanitarian organization can be designated to safeguard the interests of a party to the conflict and its protected persons. This is vital because hostilities often sever all direct communication and trust between warring nations. Without a neutral go-between, there would be no formal mechanism to verify the humane treatment of prisoners of war, ensure the delivery of relief to interned civilians, or protect the property and assets of nationals trapped in enemy territory. The very essence of their role is to provide a diplomatic and humanitarian channel, ensuring accountability and adherence to the laws of war when it matters most. In practice, a protecting power carries out a variety of functions to fulfill its mandate. They make regular visits to prisoner of war camps and places of internment for civilians, interviewing individuals in private to ascertain their conditions of detention and treatment. They facilitate the transmission of correspondence and relief parcels between families separated by conflict lines. Furthermore, protecting powers can handle administrative tasks such as issuing identity documents, ensuring proper burial of the dead, and acting as a conduit for complaints about breaches of international humanitarian law. They can also representing the legal and financial interests of the absent state or its nationals, such as managing property or handling inheritance matters. Their presence offers a layer of protection and oversight, often preventing abuses that might otherwise occur unseen. What makes this mechanism truly remarkable is its ability to operate within the extremely difficult environment of active conflict. When states fail to appoint a protecting power, the International Committee of the Red Cross, or ICRC, often steps in to perform many of these humanitarian tasks by offering its good offices. This ensures that, even in the absence of a formal state designation, there is still a vital impartial actor upholding the humanitarian principles of the Geneva Conventions. The concept underscores a fundamental tenet of international humanitarian law, that even war has limits and human dignity must be preserved. By providing an independent, neutral channel for oversight and communication, protecting powers significantly mitigate the harshness of war, ensuring that the human rights and basic dignity of those caught in conflict are not completely forgotten. Their work maintains a vital link between adversaries, upholding international humanitarian law and offering a measure of protection that would otherwise be impossible. This mechanism is a cornerstone of civilized conduct during armed conflict, ultimately reducing suffering and fostering respect for fundamental legal principles.